I'll eat it. And this is that cookie. I'm gonna show you how to make my gooey cake batter sugar cookies. Give me some sugar. To sum it all up, this is basically a gooey sugar cookie, but I'm adding a lot of butter and egg yolks to give it that yellow cake batter flavor. And I do wanna say, if you can find cake batter extract and you add it to this mixture, it will taste exactly like cake batter. I am still trying to find out how to make this with actual cake mix, but I thought for everyone, it just costs way less money to leave cake mix out of it, and we're not including a bunch of chemicals we don't really understand. Thiamine mononitrate, riboflavin, emulsified palm shortening, black phthalate, aluminum phosphate. The first step of the recipe is to cube some cold butter. I can't stress this enough. Make sure your butter is cold. So basically we're gonna cube it, and then if I were you, I would cube it, put it back in the fridge, and then measure your ingredients. Now we're gonna combine some ingredients with our flour. Sugar is its own animal here. We are not including sugar in the dry ingredients. It goes with the wet ingredients. First, we're gonna combine our baking soda. Make sure your butter is fully incorporated with your sugar, so let it take its time, and the sugar and butter mixture should actually feel really cold once it's incorporated. Oh baby. You know they're done when they are golden brown. They kind of look like they're crackling a little bit, like the inside is about to like goo out. And of course, feel free to bake them longer if you want the inside to be less gooey, or you can let these set for 20-30 minutes and the inside will definitely be less gooey. It's just more of a dramatic egg yolky cake batter effect when you wait 10 minutes and then you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you have any questions, let me know. My Instagram is Dining with Skyler. You also should subscribe to my channel, you know it, yeah. And finally, you can get the written version of this recipe on withskyler.com. And I've got a lot of other recipes for you. So I will see you soon, and I'm about to eat the rest of these.